subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to see one of the traditional costume here in India. They're sending off their daughter-in-law to her home. Hindi naman siya pinapalayas, but it's a traditional when the daughter-in-law will have pregnancy on her 7th month. This is the first pregnancy, guys. The first pregnancy should be in her home. This custom is sending off the daughter-in-law on her first pregnancy during her 7th month to her home. Ito kasi yung guys na pag yung daughter-in-law in her first pregnancy, kailangan niyang umuwi sa bahay niya, and their family have to shoulder all the expenses during the first birth. Kaya for 3 to 4 months, she have to stay in their home until she will give birth, and they will be extended until what they will have an agreement when she will be back to her home. Sometimes after 6 months of delivery, 6 months to 3 months. So outside, guys, you will see the boys staying outside. The girls will be inside, and the food preparation will be here. So what they have here is the puri. Oh. May manual naman, may machine. So ayan si Kaka. It's easier. So yun yung binibilog, and then flattened up, and then meron din namang taga-roll, and then they will fry it up, and the food will be ready. So ang lalaki ng kawali. Yeah. Here is another one. Ayun. Para akong malaking kawa. Yung probinsyang-probinsya talaga. And this is the food is ready. So we'll see here. Sobrang lalaki ng mga kaldero nila. So their house is located in the middle of the farm. Guys, we are entering their home. Here is Mommy. My mother-in-law is on her place already. So this is, are you the special guest? And see her. This time, hi. So she's Silpa. So she will be the one who will, so she's the pregnant who will go home today. Today, right?
Yes.
Tinatawanan ako ng biyanan ko kung galing na ba daw ako dito. Kasi ako yung nagturo ng daan. She already forget the way going here. And she said it's Jovi who knows the Biludra village. I am the tour. Hindi lang ito the first time, guys, na ako yung nagturo ng way kung paano pumasok sa village ng bahay ng may bahay. And I said, this house, something, they painted it off. And it's going nice. Hindi kasi ganito yung unang dating ko, unang punta ko dito. And they make it nice this time. I like the color and the paintings inside. And the place is so cool kasi nga it's the middle of the field. So ito na yung sa kabilang side na sinasabi ko. So in the occasion, usually the girls will be separated from the boys. So yung boys outside and the girls will be inside. Although the sending off also, the girls will be inside all. And we have some singing, or there is some traditional way until she will be ready to go home. So I said the special guest is there, Chetan.
Kiri kang yun, ano?
And while they're talking inside, I will give you a tour here in the field. Kasi palagi ako nandito. Yung binan ko talaga. Tsaka yung sister-in-law ko, sila yung bahay, tambay bahay. Ako yung tambay farm. And most of the time, I'm on the field. Hindi lang dun sa farm namin, but in every villagers farm. So, ako yung nagdadala ng mga libreng gulay kasi when it's the season of vegetables, doon ako nag-iikot-ikot at nakakalibre ako ng gulay. I forget already, this is, there, the part of our land, small land. And, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga crane doon with tractor. May ginagawa kasi dito guys na water installation and gas. Oh, ayan, may makikita kayong a big pipe. So, the water and the gas line will be here soon. So, enjoy the farm. So, napapansin nyo wala pang masyadong gulay kasi nga pinagkaitan kami ng tag-ulan this year. But, during the winter, there are a lot of vegetables will be here. Ayun guys, hindi kami nagtagal doon. Hindi talaga kami nagtagal doon kasi may banta pa rin yung COVID and nanganganib yung Delta for especially for children na magkakaroon ng third wave yung COVID. Kaya umalis na kami. Talagang punta kami doon just to pay respect for the invitation to meet the daughter-in-law before going to her home. And hindi na namin inantay na magiging crowded kasi nga alam niyo naman dito sa village they are not practicing social distancing and no face mask na rin. Kaya we decided to go there earlier and to meet the daughter-in-law and say and bidding goodbye. Anyway, we are going to meet her again after a few months when she will bring her baby back home kasi meron din namang another visit. Kaya pag may bagong silang kasi kailangan i-visit din ng mga girls. Kaya yun. So, hindi ko na tinake yung video nung mga kung ano-anong ginagawa din sa bahay kasi pasyalan talaga yon and I don't want to take risk nga. Siguro pag wala na yung pag kalmado na yung mundo, ika-cover up natin lahat ng traditions dito sa village. Sa ngayon, humihingi muna ako ng pasensya, hindi talaga pwedeng makipaghalubilo kasi hindi namin alam kung sino yung dumating at sino yung parating. Kasi nung nakita kong ang dami ng mga nakavan na dumating, we took the children back to home already. Siyempre, safety first na. And ayun, at least nakita nyo naman yung farm. Talagang may lote kami maliit doon sa likod bahay. Yung old man na yun, yung may-ari. Meron kasi siyang anak ng mga babae. Pag ganito kasi pag mga babae, talagang malaki yung gagastusin pagkasal kasi marami silang ibibigay like gold, like jewelry, parang ganon. Tapos, ganyan nga, kung 4 din kasi yung anak niyang babae and during their first pregnancy also, babalik sila sa bahay nila at yung gagastos ng gagastos. Kaya, yung matanda, binenta na halos lahat ng farm niya and yung last part, yung malapit na talaga sa bahay nila, yun yung binenta sa amin 11 years ago. And yun na lang natira sa kanila, yung sa bahay. Actually, the place is nice and very cool. Yun nga lang, medyo maputi kasi doon kaya hindi namin mabisita palagi lalo pag tag-ulan kasi walang matinong daanan. Kaya yun yung tour natin for the day. And thank you for watching guys. Thank you for supporting. And God bless us all. Stay safe. Yun pa rin. Safety first. Bye!